Hello, Hornets. Welcome to Sac State's review of the Parent Income Verification Form. Let's review the steps to complete this form correctly. Step 1. Complete your name and Sac State ID on the upper right-hand side of the form. Step 2. Check one box that applies to the parent listed on the financial aid application. Please note, if you check the last box to state your parent was employed but not required to file a tax return, please provide the source of income, the annual amount received, and if they were provided with a W-2. Step 3. It is important that a wet signature is present from both you and your parent along with the date of signature. Once complete, you may upload your form through your Student Center.
Once you are ready to submit your financial aid documents, you can upload them using our online upload link. Scan the QR code on the screen to access the link. You can also check out our video tutorial on how to use our online upload link. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office, the Student Service Center. We are located in Lassen Hall, room 1000. You can reach out to us via phone at 916-278-1000, option 2, or email at sacstatessc@csus.edu. Follow us on Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram to stay up to date. Our user handle is at sacstatessc. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. You got this, Hornet. Stingers up!